Today I'm going to show you how to make a glow-in-the-dark bouncy ball. Doesn't this look awesome? It glows! And all you're going to need is some glow-in-the-dark paint, half a cup of warm water, a fork, 2 tablespoons of PVA glue, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of borax. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to add our borax to the water. Use your fork to give it a good stir. We want to make sure that all of the borax is dissolved. Now we're going to add our glow-in-the-dark paint to our PVA glue. Again, give it a good stir. Now we want to add our corn flour to the mixture. We're going to add it bit by bit so it doesn't get too lumpy. Keep stirring. Make sure there aren't any lumps. Perfect. Now we're going to add our borax solution to the PVA glue. You'll see that the chemical reaction happens immediately. Look at that! Isn't that awesome? Now we want to roll it into a ball shape. Keep rolling until all the bits on your fingers have stuck to the ball. And there you have it. Look at it glow! Isn't that awesome? That was super easy. A glow-in-the-dark bouncy ball. Amazing! Today I'm going to show you how to make stress balls. Now this is particularly useful if you're in exam time. All you're going to need is a piece of card, a marker pen, some flour, scissors, a plastic bottle, 3 balloons per ball, some sellotape, and some glue. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to take our card and roll it up. We're making a funnel. See? Secure it with some tape. This will make putting the flour into our balloons super easy. We don't need it to be too big, so cut off the top. And cut off the bottom. But not too much because we need it to fit into the top of the bottle, like so. Now we're going to pour our flour into the bottle. It's super easy with our new funnel. Give it a little tap if it's not going down. Perfect! Now we're going to take our first balloon. Blow up the balloon and then twist it at the bottom. Remember, these can be any different colour that you like. Untwist the balloon after you've attached it at the top of the bottle and then empty the flour in. This is a great way of getting the flour into the balloon without too much hassle. Then, as you let the balloon down, you'll see it start to take shape. Look! The beginning of your stress ball. Now what we want to do is to take a second balloon and cut the bottom off. Cut the bottom off your first balloon and add some glue to the top where the flour is. Now put the second balloon over it, and you'll seal it. This means that no flour will escape. Also add a little bit more glue, just to be doubly careful. We're going to add a third balloon, just to make sure no flour comes out. Give it a squeeze until it's perfectly round. I'm choosing to draw a smiley face on my stress ball. That means that when I'm getting stressed, I'll remember to smile. cute! So let's see how we can make this a bit different. I'm doing exactly the same process of filling up the balloon, only this time I'm going to use an orange balloon. Remember, you can use any different colour that you like. This part's exactly the same. Snip the bottom off of your second balloon. Repeat as we did the first time round. Add your second balloon onto your first balloon. However, this is where it's different. We're taking a completely different coloured balloon. Instead of just cutting the end off, we're going to cut some holes in it. Don't make them too big. And this way, when you stretch the pink balloon over the orange balloon, you'll get this awesome pattern when the orange comes through. Cool, huh? Give it a squeeze until it's round, and look! It looks awesome. I love doing it this way. Remember, you can invert the colours. On this one, I'm going to have an orange ball with pink spots coming through. Don't forget, you can use whatever colour balloons you like. Why don't you let us know what colours you've used in the comment box below? We'd love to hear from you. Don't they look cool? Stress balls. Super easy and super quick. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!